Hi, Puneet here. In this video, I'll show you how to accurately pull data for Schedule C form in few clicks in Equify. Equify automatically pulls the right data specific to Schedule C. This saves time, reduces manual work, and makes it easy to review your numbers before sharing them with your advisor or using them for tax filing. But before that, what is Schedule C? It's a US tax form to report business income and expenses. In Equify, Schedule C uses transactions from your connected accounts to help pull the right numbers into the form. Before you start, make sure your transactions are categorized correctly. If your categories are accurate, your Schedule C data will be much easier to review. You can watch the earlier video on how to update categories using rules and bulk actions. Now let's begin. Go to the compliance page and select the right tax year. And on Schedule C, click Review Forms. On this page, you will see the information needed for your Schedule C. Think of this page in two parts. The first part is account scope, and the second part is forms line items. In the account scope, the goal is to choose the right business account. These are the accounts that Equify will use to pull income and expense data for your Schedule C. Select account scope, review all the accounts that have been included. You can update, you can add or remove any account. And once it looks correct, now move to the next part of the form itself. The Schedule C form is divided into three main parts. Part 1, income, expenses, and cost of goods sold. You can go through each line item and check whether the right transactions have been included. Let's go through an example in Part 2, expenses. Based on our logic, Equify may have already pulled data based on your transaction categories. Review that information carefully and make sure it is correct. For example, let's look at advertising. Here I see that the transactions that have been pulled are through a category name called marketing. I can review the transactions that have been included. And if there's a transaction I want to exclude, I can do that. And in case if I feel that there's another transaction category that is missing, I can search and add it here. For example, I see other business expense. I can include that as well here. And once I've done that, then I can come, press save, and the information is saved here. I'll repeat this process for each line item I feel that I have the expenses. For example, I have got supplies here. I'll follow the same process. When selecting the categories, you would find two separate fields in the form: transaction group categories and transaction group names. I recommend using category names as this provides more granular way of controlling what information and data should be added here. Once you have gone through all the line items, you can press recalculate and the information will be saved for you. Then you can simply either download this for your own reference in a PDF format, or you can share with your advisor as well. That's it. By reviewing your account scope, checking each line item, and recalculating forms, you can make sure your Schedule C is more accurate and easy to work with on Equify. Thanks for watching.